What's up, guys? Alright, so we're going to do a little pre-market review. It is the 13th of January. Just overall, obviously we have inauguration coming up. I'm not expecting anything fantastic. I won't be trading any serious volume on my live accounts until that is over. But anyways, let's go through here. We'll start off with gold. So it's the start of the week, so I've set it to weekly. Yeah, so let's have a look here. So we have our weekly open here, 26.89 roughly, with the weekly high here, weekly low here. Here's what I see. Interesting, right? We have this 4-hour fair value gap here, old highs over here. Look at this 1.2 extension has a 100% chance of getting hit if we take this previous week high. So, I mean, to me, this is a relatively straightforward setup. I'd probably expect something like this. I don't know how far into this we'll go, but maybe down to like here. And we'll pop up into here. And then up here to take, maybe even take this old high over here. I'll mark that up. Old high. Okay. Now we do have news this week. I think we have CPI on Wednesday, jobless claims on Thursday. So I'd imagine they'll gather some liquidity down here. I'll be looking for longs all down in this area. But yeah, let's have a look at our daily levels. Let's see where we are in the monthly. Okay, interesting. Look, so our monthly high, previous month high is up there, previous month low is all the way down here. So I think this is a target. Makes a ton of sense. Obviously they don't have to run it right away, but I don't really see much down here that they need to come down and get. So I'll expect maybe something like this, and then we will be off to the races. Okay, daily highs and lows. There's our sell side there. The daily high, which is also the weekly high. So yeah, I'll definitely be watching longs on gold. Alright, let's have a look at NQ. Okay. Let me just take some of this stuff off. Okay, let's see where we are on the monthly so far. So we've taken the monthly low over here, right? So we've run the December low. We know 1.2, which is in this area here, has a 71% chance of getting hit. There's our monthly high all the way up here. It's only a 13% chance they would get back up here, so I think keep looking short down into this 1.2, 1.4 area. At least on the monthly. Let's have a look at the weekly. So weekly low we ran. 85% chance to get down here to this 1.2. So I'll just make a little note here. I'll call it weekly 1.2. Which has an 85% chance of being hit. Okay. Now we do have some 4-hour fair value gaps that are formed there and there. There's our daily open. So we just have to be careful here when picking a time to go short. I wouldn't go short right now. You know, yeah. Weekly high up there. Let's have a look at our daily. Okay, there's our previous day high. I mean, there's a 1.2 on the daily. I'll just be watching, being careful. Yeah. We'll definitely come up into this. I'll probably look for some shorts in here. Down to this, to there, or to the weekly 1.2. But if we just invert this gap, like if we close through it, I'll probably wait for this one to get touched before getting short. Now, the other scenario is we just run straight down through here to this weekly 1.2, in which case I'll be scalping longs back up into the range. But I think this is probably the most likely area. So something like this. Maybe a push down, push back up into here, take that 1.2, and then push through these levels here. But if we take previous day high, because you know sometimes Monday can make the high of the week. If we take previous day high, we'll definitely run into this 4-hour fair value gap. But I would expect that would be the one to hold before we push down. Maybe CPI is on Wednesday, so they might just drag us up Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday push down. Or if we're already down in these levels by Wednesday, CPI could be the driver to turn it around to head back up. Alright, just have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we have a weekly low over here, weekly high over here. Let's have a look at the monthly, see what it tells us. Interesting. So this is the December low, which if we look at that low, it's 91,315, 91,215. So we have taken previous month's low just by a bit. Previous month's high is up here at all-time high. I mean, to me, lower prices make sense. Let's look at this on the daily. I mean, that looks pretty rounding to me. I had always said in December that I could see 85 to 81, this range here. So this is that daily where I could see that being the target. Because if we look at the monthly high, low, there's the 1.2 level. So we'll just mark that out. Monthly 1.2. It's got what? 74% chance. And then the monthly 1.4. 54% chance. So from a monthly perspective, this makes a lot of sense. Came up. Honestly, I think this is probably a good place to get short right here. Because we already ran up a bunch on this month. There isn't really any need. If they run this hard, then they're probably just going to keep going long. But I don't really think that's what's on the cards. I think these monthly levels, because we've still got about 2 trading weeks, almost 3 trading weeks left in the month. So, yeah, I'd definitely be looking for 83,000 on Bitcoin. Alright, let's go back down to the hourly. So with that in mind, let's have a look at our daily. already taken previous day low. So from here to our monthly levels is another 6%. So I probably wouldn't take a position today. Just look at this. We've got gaps all up here. So we might want to come up. We've taken the low and the high. So I probably wouldn't take anything today, but overall I'd be looking for the rest of this month, honestly, opportunities to go short. But we start inverting some of these 4 hour value gaps around 100,000, then I'd be looking for longs to the all-time high. But I think chances are we're running down here to 87 and then to 84 before the month's out. So with 2.5 weeks left in trading, I think they'll probably start moving towards us quite aggressively this week. But we will see how that plays out. US30. US30 is quite interesting. If you see here, we have a new week opening gap over here. So that'll definitely get filled at some point. See where we are on monthly. Okay. So we already ran a low. Yeah, I probably won't be trading this US30. It's just been melting, so I think any opportunity to go short will probably make sense. Be watching this level here on the daily. Got that 1.2, that 88% chance. That looks pretty juicy into this gap over here. But obviously you want to be careful about when you choose your entries. This looks like it wants to run today. So take this November low. But yeah. So I'll just be focusing on shorts until we take these levels, then you can start looking for just short retracement longs where you can catch a little bit. But that daily chart looks really heavy. So into there. I don't think we'll see this month, but maybe the fake out low for February. Alright guys, that's all I have. We'll probably be live today, but I'll just post in the Discord if we do go live. Peace.